Hello, my name is Ali Gambari, and I'm presenting Shibboleth, an efficient and effective patch correctness assessment tool based on static and dynamic features extracted from both production and test code. This work is introduced in our recent ISTA paper, which contains technical details about the rationale behind the features and an extensive empirical evaluation of the tool, and compares it with the state-of-the-art static and dynamic patch correctness assessment techniques. Here, we will focus on the engineering details of the work, and in this video, we will show how you can install and use Shibboleth. This work is done in collaboration with Andrew and Marcus. This is the official website for Shibboleth, which contains its source code and detailed instructions on how you can download, install, and use the tool. In this video, I will show how to download and install Shibboleth, and I will also show how you can apply the tool on an example buggy project with correct and incorrect patches. Before you download and install Shibboleth, you need to make sure that your computer has the required software installed on it. Specifically, you will need Git version control system, Maven build system, Java 8 or higher, and Python 3.9. You will also need libraries, scikit-learn, pandas, numpy, and joblib installed on your computer. Last but not least, you need to set the environment variable Java home to point to the location of Java installation directory. Once you install all the required software, you can use the following command to download the repository. I'm copying and pasting the command in a Unix terminal. I then navigate to the base directory of the project and install it on my computer using the following command. Once you see this build success message on your screen, Shibboleth Maven plugin is ready to be used. We have provided a couple of example buggy projects in this repository so that you can test Shibboleth on these projects. These projects are from defects4j bug dataset. Each buggy project has correct and incorrect patches generated for it. The projects are located in the examples directory. For now, I'm using bug chart 21, which has 1 correct patch and 3 incorrect patch generated for it. We have already configured POM file for this project so that you can run Shibboleth on it. Before running Shibboleth, you need to build a project. For that, I'm using the following command. Now that you have built a project, you can invoke Shibboleth ranker or classifier on it. To rank the patches, you use the following command. This is the output of Shibboleth. It ranks patch 1074 in top 1 position. This patch is actually correct fix for the bug, and the rest of the patches are incorrect. Now to classify the patches into likely correct and likely incorrect patches, you can use the following command. This is quite similar to the previous command, except I'm invoking classify task. This is the output of Shibboleth. As you can see, patch number 1074 is identified as likely correct, and the rest of the patches are accurately identified as incorrect. Thank you.